Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. It's a fairly large box that feels somewhat hollow. Yeah, okay, so there's some traditional in it. Big old. Oh, wait a minute. I know what this is. This is a channel first. Yeah, let's get the note out. Big moment here. Big moment, guys. Hello. I have enjoyed your content over the last year, so thank you. Please use and test this knife as you wish. And that's from Keegan. I know you guys are thinking like, oh, it's some crazy Spyderco. I mean, it's a Spyderco, right? But it's what it's made out of. And I know a lot of you already know, right? So this is, I'll just tell you guys, this is a Mule team. Oh, and there's that word. This is Magnacut. Oh boy, what do we have here? A nice fresh edge of Magnacut. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to test this out. I am so excited. So if you don't know, CPM Magnacut is kind of poised to take over. I mean, poised to. CPM Magnacut is already taking over the knife world, and it likely will continue to do that. It's probably going to shove aside. And, you know, there's going to be critics, and there's going to be people who just don't like the idea of having spent so much money on, like, people who overemphasize steel, right, in their collections, and they spend a bunch of money getting whatever steel or whatever steels they automatically assume are the most premium, right? It's fine. You can still enjoy whatever composition you want, right? Remember that all steel is a multi-directional teeter-totter, and then the end result is a composition that will do better or worse in any given environment, given an infinite number of elements or circumstances, right? But Magnacut seems to have some really good balance, some really good properties. In any case, you know, that part of our brains that we can't ignore, right, where we just automatically put things up on a pedestal. For a lot of people, Magnacut is going to bump some of those other super steels off of this throne that we all pretend exists. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna from what I understand, it's gonna perform really, really well. So while we can't get this steel in everything right now, we are starting to see. I think maybe a couple of folders, some fixed blades, things like this that are coming out in Magnacut. I just want to see what it's all about. Magnacut's supposed to have incredible edge retention. It's supposed to be stainless, very tough, and reasonably easy to sharpen versus other steels that are sporting the same potential levels of edge retention, which is pretty cool. It kind of defies the whole law of composition, like how it's supposed to act, right? Or at least that on paper, it certainly seems magical and majestic. It's interesting, right? So yeah, now I've got this Mule that's just about, I mean, about as perfect as a test subject as I could ask for, right? Nice flat grind, not super duper thick on the spine, fixed blade, just a lot of continuous edge and belly. So now I'm not going to be doing any comprehensive tests. That's not what I do on this channel. I would, in fact, if you guys want to see a nice comprehensive test that already exists, just go over to Cedric and Ada's channel right here on YouTube. Pete, who is, everybody calls him Cedric. His name is Pete, has already done a test on this and has had excellent results, right? That's cool, and you guys have that resource. I just want to test this for myself. It's not something that I'll likely film. I don't know, maybe I will. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably get some images. But I just want to get a feel for this. Cut some cardboard, just some stuff, and that's probably all the more I'm going to do with it. But I'm really excited to be able to finally talk about Magnacut and show it on the channel. Anyways, This is not that review, by the way. we might as well, I mean, I can do simultaneously a review on the, when I finally do the video, I can do it on the Mule, because this is the first time I've ever handled the Mule. Are these the scales they come with, or did he add those? I'm not really sure. I'll have to study. This is the first time I've ever handled it. Not a review. This is an unboxing. It's a blind unboxing, so, the actual reviews and after I've tested Magnacut, that'll come down the road. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video, this short little video. Thanks again to Keegan for sending this in. I really appreciate it. Seriously, I can't tell you how much I appreciate you just offering to send me something that I can use to test. And by the way, no, I don't get to keep these stuff. You're guessing when you assume that I get to keep this stuff. No, this will go back to him, as is the case with nearly everything in this channel, unless it's sent and specifically stated that, hey, this is for you to keep. 99.9% of the stuff that comes in, it gets shipped back when I'm done with it. So anyways, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.